Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and your account. Open Microsoft Edge or the Bing app and sign in with the Microsoft account you want to earn points on. Once signed in, make sure rewards are enabled in the app settings and that location and notifications are allowed so the hub can register mobile searches. Then go to the browser home screen. This lets your searches be counted properly. After that, tap the search box and proceed to actual searches immediately. Now you do the searches that earn points. Use the app search bar for distinct queries. Vary your phrasing and topic so Bing counts them as separate searches. Once done, try voice and image searches and open a few news results to hit different categories. Make sure you complete the mobile daily quota, usually 3 to 5 searches, and wait a few seconds on results pages so activity registers. Also check the Rewards Hub periodically to watch points update. Finish by visiting the Rewards Hub to confirm your earned points and complete any daily sets or quizzes for bonus points. Once confirmed, redeem for gift cards or sweepstakes entries when you reach a threshold. If points don't appear right away, try basic troubleshooting. Sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or update the app. These steps force a sync. If problems persist, double-check you used the signed-in profile and that your queries were on the mobile app, not a private tab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.